What is Wi-Fi HaLow? Are you facing any of these connectivity challenges with IoT deployments in the field? Unstable communication, short battery life, high system development and operating costs. Wi-Fi HaLow may be able to help solve these issues. Wi-Fi HaLow is a wireless standard defined by IEEE 802.11ah that uses the sub-gigahertz band. Wi-Fi HaLow is a wireless standard that can provide a communication range of over 1 kilometer and data rates in the range of several megabits per second. Compared with Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 7, Wi-Fi HaLow offers lower data rates but significantly greater long-range coverage. Compared with LoRa, Sigfox, and other conventional LPWA technologies, Wi-Fi HaLow enables more flexible data communication thanks to its higher data rates. Unlike NB-IoT, LTE, and other cellular technologies, Wi-Fi HaLow can be operated without recurring carrier fees. Now, let's look at 3 key features of Wi-Fi HaLow. Wi-Fi HaLow uses OFDM modulation. OFDM is robust against multipath effects and radio interference. Beyond enabling long communication range, this technology also helps maintain robust communication in environments with obstacles, such as inside buildings. In addition to the TIM mode used in conventional Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi HaLow introduces a new non-TIM mode. TIM mode is a low-power mode in which the device periodically checks traffic indication map notifications from the access point and then takes action based on those notifications. Non-TIM mode allows the device to remain asleep until a preset time, with sleep intervals configurable from a few minutes to several years. This can significantly reduce current consumption in systems that transmit data intermittently. Wi-Fi HaLow supports many of the same protocols as conventional Wi-Fi, including security protocols such as WPA3, as well as TCP/IP. This makes it easier to add network connectivity to existing systems and helps reduce system development work. Wi-Fi HaLow technology enables key application use case ranging from smart factories to social infrastructure in smart cities. Murata provides Wi-Fi HaLow module products that help make the coming robot-enabled society possible. Please contact us if you are considering adopting this technology.